Well, today we're going to be drawing the in-game equivalent of Tfue in Fortnite. Alright, so let's jump right into this. So as you know, you're going to need some kind of like pen and a pencil for this, which is pretty obvious. And well, this first thing I'm going to do here is basically just kind of like drawing a rough outline with a pencil that I don't mess up anything while I'm doing it in pen. And I highly recommend you do it as well if you want to follow along with the video, I suppose. So that, you know, just in case you mess up anything, it's easy enough to rub out and you are kind of meant to draw it, well, quite light whenever you're doing the pencil part. And now that we've done the pencil part, I'm just going to kind of like go over it with pen. But now we're going to have to do this really carefully because, well, you can't really rub out pen. And you want to make sure that it is more or less perfect, or, you know, the way you want it to look, I suppose. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe, turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my upcoming content. And well, here's the final product, please like it. Anyway, that's it, all the best, peace!
Grew up alone on the coast, yeah. Had a few friends that were close, yeah. We would cruise to Newport for the show, yeah. Long 10 legs, oh you know it. I got my mind set on mine, she a bad chick. I wanna see if I can get her on a mattress. Said she's almost done taking all her classes, but she really doesn't care if she passes.